ओ नमो नमः। गीताभ्यासे 3-11 देवान भावयतानेन, अ स्टडी बाय एस एल अभ्यंकर, मुंबई, रविवासरे, December 6th, 2020. It would be good to begin every session of Gita Abhyasa with recitation of Gita Dhyanam and the Namana Vakyam. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamrutavarshiniim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayinim Amba Tvamanusandathami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshinim. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. देवान् भावयतानेन ते देवा भावयन्तु वः परस्परं भावयन्तः श्रेयः परमवाप्स्यथ. पदच्छेदैः. देवान् भावयत अनेन ते देवाः भावयन्तु वः परस्परं भावयन्तः श्रेयः परम अवाप्स्यथ. वाक्यांशशः पदाभ्यासाः अन्वयार्थाश्च. This stanza has a continuity from previous stanza, especially from the phrase Pura Sahayajñāः Prajaः Sruštva Prajapatihi Uvacha. In the previous stanza, there were two phrases which Prajapatihi Uvacha, that is, Prajapatihi uttered, Anena Prasavishyadhvam, and Eshaha Vaha Ishtakamadhuk Astu. Now utterance of Prajapatihi continues, Anena Yajñena देवान् भावयत. यूयं देवान् भावयत. अनेन इदं सर्वनाम पुल्लिंगम नपुंसकलिंगम वा तृतीया एकवचनम. This word anena was also there in anena prasavishyadhvam. There it was pronominal of the noun yajñah. In pura sahayajñāः prajaः sruštva prajapatihi uvacha, in stanza 3-10. This stanza 3-11 is in continuation, hence here also anena means anena yajñena, that is, by the activation of energy inherent to all prajaha, the creations. Devan, deva pullingam dvitiya bahuvachanam, bhavayat, bhu दशमगणिया उभयपदी भावयति ते, और causative प्रयोजके of भू भवति प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी. In either case, लोट मध्यम पुरुषः बहुवचनम. भू भवति प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी और दशमगणीयः उभयपदी भावयति ते, to think, to reflect, to mix, to mingle, to be purified, connected with causative of भू. अनेन देवान् भावयत. अनेन यज्ञेन, that is, by the activation of energy inherent to all prajaha creations, you think about, reflect upon, meditate upon gods. Vaha te devaha bhavayantu, or te devaha vaha bhavayantu. Te tat sarvanama pullingam prathama bahuvachanam. देवाः देव पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचनम. वह युष्म सर्वनाम अत्र पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया बहुवचनम. भावयन्तु, as said earlier, भू भवति तस्य प्रयोजके भाव भावयति, और भू दशमगणीय उभयपदी भावयति ते, तस्य लोट लकारः प्रथम पुरुषः बहुवचनम. ते देवाः वह भावयन्तु. May gods also think of you, care about you, be pleased with you, may bless you. परस्परं भावयन्तः यूयं परम श्रेयः अवाप्स्यथ. परस्परं कर्मपदीयः and भावयन्तः क्रियावाचकः, and then परस्परं भावयन्तः यूयं परम श्रेयः अवाप्स्यथ. Note, in the phrase परस्परं भावयन्तः at 6a, परस्परम is कर्म padam, or adverbial of the Krudantam bhavayantah. And the total phrase Parasparam bhavayantah is adjectival of the Kartrupadam Yuyam, of the Tigantam Avapsyatha. Kartrupadam Yuyam is implicit because Tigantam Avapsyatha is Madhyama Purushah Bahuvachanam. Parasparam bhavayantah, param shreyah avapsyat. Parasparam, in Aptech dictionary, paraspara, adjective, mutual. Parasparasya marmani ye na rakshanti jantavah taeva nidhanam yanti valmikodara sarpavat. Like one another. Pronoun, adjectival. Each other, one another. Used in the singular only, often in compounds. Parasparasyopari paryachiyat. Note, accusative and ablative singulars are often used adverbially in the sense of mutually, reciprocally, one another, by, from, or to one another, against one another, like that. See, Parasparam bhavayantah Shreya Paramo Apsyata. The same quotation from this 3-11 stanza has been quoted as a reference. Bhavayantah, Bhavayat, Visheshanam, Pullingam Prathama Bahuvachanam. Bhuvavati Prathamganiya Parasmapadi, but also Dashamganiya Ubhayapadi, Bhavayati te, or causative Prayojake Bhav of Bhuvavati Prathamganiya Parasmapadi. Tasya Shatru Visheshanam Bhavayat. Dashamganiya Ubhayapadi Bhavayati te, to think, to reflect, to mix, to mingle, to be purified, connected with the causative of Bhu. Param, Para Visheshanam, Napusakalingam, Dvitiya Ekvachanam, excellent, supreme. Shreyaha, Shreyas, Napusakalingam, Dvitiya Ekvachanam. Shreyas, Shreyas, adjective. Atishena Prashasyam, Yesu Shradeshaha, better, preferable, superior. Vardhana Drakshanam Shreyaha, और श्रेयान स्वधर्मो विगुणः परधर्मा स्वनुष्ठितात् स्वधर्मे निधनम श्रेयः परधर्मो भयावह. Shreyas, best, most excellent, quite desirable. Shreyo yasmakamevam hi, more happy or fortunate, more blessed, dearer, comparative of prashasya. Neuter, virtue, righteous deeds, moral or religious merit, bliss, good fortune, blessing, good welfare, felicity, a good or auspicious result, any good or auspicious occasion, final beatitude, Shreya, absolution, avapsyat. Apsyatha is lut lakara parasmai padam madhyama purushaha bahuvachanam of ap, aprum, vyaptau, swadihi, panchamaganiyaha, षोडशः तत्र. परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः, and to obtain, to pervade, to occupy, to reach, to get. Avap, पंचमगणीयः उभयपदी, to get, obtain, secure, gain, to reach to go to, enter into. Overall meaning. सारांशतः अनेन यज्ञेन यूयम देवान भावयत, that is by this yajna the activation of energy inherent to all prajaha, to all creations, यूयम, you people, think about, reflect upon, meditate upon gods. Vaha te devaha bhavayantu, may gods also think of you, be pleased with you, may bless you. Parasparam bhavayantaha यूयम param shreyaha avapsyatha, thinking of one another, may you attain the supreme benevolence. छंदो विश्लेषण. देवान भावयतानेन अष्टाक्षराणि, यताने एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. ते देवा भावयन्तु वः अष्टाक्षराणि, वयन्तु एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. परस्परं भावयन्तः अष्टाक्षराणि, भावयन्तः because of तः ya gets two matras. But what is it here? Bha, two matras, va, one matra, and ya, two matras. So 2 1 2 is the pattern, whereas it should be 1 2 2. श्रेयः परमवाप्स्यथ अष्टाक्षराणि मवाप्स्य एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. तृतीये पादे अपवादः अन्यथा अनुष्टुप् छन्दः. स्वाध्यायः नोट्स ऑफ सेल्फ स्टडी. द ट्रांसलेशन यूयं देवान् भावयत ते देवाः वः भावयन्तु. As you would be thinking of gods, may gods think about you. Sounds too literal. Basically, one has to think who devaha, gods are. The word devaha is from div, divum, क्रीडा विजिगीषा व्यवहार द्युति स्तुति मोद मद स्वप्न कांति गतिषु. दिवादिः चतुर्थगणीयः तेषु प्रथमः. परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः सेट. टू प्ले क्रीडा, टू डिजायर टू विन विजिगीषा, टू ट्रांसैक्ट व्यवहारः, टू ग्लो द्युति, टू शाइन स्तुति, टू प्रेज स्तुति, टू प्लीज मोद, टू बोस्ट मद, टू स्लीप स्वप्न, टू विश कांति, टू गो gati. Note there are so many meanings of diva. In turn, devaha is one who is capable of all those, wields command over all those. Thinking of gods is thinking of all those capabilities. As you would be thinking of gods, may gods think about you. Is summarized also in the adage, God helps him who helps himself. Thinking of all those capabilities, of all those commands, is thinking positive, thinking of positive potentials. The word devaha also connotes positive potentials. If you also think of positive potentials, your positive potentials and those connoted by devaha will add up. Like how potentials of battery cells add up when in series. The bulb will glow brighter when the cells are in series. Glowing brighter is akin to attaining param shreyah. This brings to mind a subhashitam, uddyamasahasam dhairyam buddhishakti parakramah षडेते यत्र वर्तन्ते तत्र देवः सहायकृत्. God becomes helpful, devah sahayakrut. Where, yatra, the six षडेते. Which six? Industriousness, udyamaha. Adventure, sahasam. Courage, dhairyam. Intelligence, buddhi. Strength, shakti. Overcoming challenges, parakramaha, are vartante. As can be seen, udyama sahasam dhairyam buddhi shakti parakramaha are all activations of energy. They all are yajnaha. They all demonstrate existence of positive potentials. God becomes helpful, devaha sahayakrut, means the Supreme Being also lends his positive potential. Do the positive potentials really add up? Well, we feel better when we go to a temple, church or mosque. We feel better there because there are positive potentials in those environments and they add up to our positive potentials of thinking of God. The concept inherent in Pura Sahayajnaha Praja Sruštva Prajapatihi Uvacha is that Prajapatihi set up the universe as a game of potentials. It is potentials which make the planets orbit the sun non-stop across eons. Launching of an artificial satellite is also yajnaha. The signals to and from the satellite are potentials. It is all a game of potentials. Yuyam anena yajnena devan bhavayat. Te devaha vaha bhavayantu means learn how to be a part of, be a partner in the game of potentials, and may your efforts be blessed and succeed. All efforts do not succeed. Only those which fit in the God's scheme of things succeed. That is something which has to be experienced. Study of Gita should also proceed unto experiencing Gita. May that experiencing Gita culminate in Param Shreya, the ultimate bliss. Shubhamastu.